Klaviyo email marketing for Shopify in 2026. Klaviyo is one of the most widely used email marketing platforms for Shopify stores. Its main advantage is that it connects marketing activity with real-time e-commerce data, allowing businesses to send highly targeted emails based on what customers do on the website, what they buy, and how they interact with previous messages. In 2026, the Shopify Klaviyo integration has become even more focused on automation, personalization, customer data, AI, and international e-commerce. 1. What is Klaviyo? Klaviyo is a customer data and marketing platform designed particularly for e-commerce business. For a Shopify merchant, it can collect and use information such as customer details, purchases, products viewed, checkout activity, email, engagement, and marketing consent. Once Shopify is connected, Klaviyo can create customer profiles and use Shopify information to build audiences and automated marketing campaigns. Shopify data can include contact information, marketing consent status, locale, Shopify tags, and e-commerce events. This is important because traditional email marketing often involves sending the same newsletter to a large database. Klaviyo allows a Shopify business to move towards individualized marketing. For example, a clothing store could send *a welcome email to a new subscriber *a product recommendation to someone who purchased trainers. A reminder to someone who abandoned checkout *a replenishment email when a customer is likely to need a product again. A VIP offer to customers who have spent more than £500 *a win-back campaign to customers who have not purchased for several months. 2. Connecting Klaviyo with Shopify. The first step is connecting the two platforms. In Klaviyo, merchants can install the Shopify integration, connect their Shopify store, approve the required Shopify permissions, and configure subscriber synchronization. Klaviyo also recommends enabling on-site tracking and the relevant Shopify app embed so that customer activity can be used for marketing. One particularly important step is choosing the Klaviyo list that should receive Shopify email subscribers. Shopify customers who provide marketing consent can be synchronized to this list, giving the merchant a consented audience for email marketing. The quality of this setup matters. If customer data, consent, or tracking is configured incorrectly, automated campaigns may target the wrong people or fail to trigger. 3. Email flows, the biggest advantage. One of Klaviyo's strongest features is flows. A flow is an automated sequence of messages triggered by an event or customer behavior. Klaviyo describes flows as automated communications that can be triggered by actions such as joining a list, checking out, purchasing, or reaching a particular date. For Shopify stores, some of the most useful flows are: Welcome series. A visitor subscribes to your email list and receives a series introducing the brand, explaining its products, and potentially offering an incentive. Abandon checkout. A shopper begins the purchasing process but does not complete it. Klaviyo can send a reminder containing information about the products they were considering. Post-purchase. After an order, customers can receive thank you messages, product education, usage, instructions, and relevant recommendations. Customer win-back. Customers who have not purchased for a defined period can receive a targeted re-engagement campaign. Repeat purchase. For consumable products, Klaviyo can communicate with customers around the time they are likely to need another purchase. VIP customer flow. High-value customers can receive special communications, early access, or loyalty offers. The major benefit is that these emails continue working automatically rather than requiring the marketing team to send every message manually. For segmentation and personalization. Another major reason Shopify merchants use Klaviyo is segmentation. Instead of treating every subscriber equally, a business can divide its audience according to characteristics and behavior. For example, first-time customers, repeat customers, high-spending customers, customers who purchased a particular product, subscribers who have never purchased, customers who have not purchased recently, highly engaged email subscribe. Particular product, subscribers who have never purchased, customers who have not purchased recently, highly engaged email subscribe. For example, a skincare company should not necessarily send the same message to someone who purchased cleanser yesterday and someone who has never bought anything. The first customer could receive product usage advice or a complimentary product recommendation, while the second might need education about the brand. Klaviyo can also use Shopify's synchronized customer properties and events in segments and flows. 5. Personalized product recommendation. Klaviyo's Shopify integration also makes e-commerce personalization possible. A flow email can display products connected to a customer's activate. For example, an abandoned cart email can show the products left behind. Klaviyo's e-commerce integrations can provide dynamic product information without merchants having to manually construct every product block. This can make an email feel much more relevant than a generic newslet. Instead of saying, "Check out our latest products," a business can effectively communicate, "The products you were looking at are still available." 6. Campaigns versus flows. A Shopify business should understand the difference between campaigns and flows. A campaign is generally a message or series of messages that a marketer deliberately schedules for an audience. Examples include a Black Friday promotion, new product announcement, summer sale, or weekly newsletter. A flow is automated and triggered by customer behavior. A strong Shopify email strategy normally uses both. For example, a business might use automated flows throughout the year while simultaneously sending 2 or 3 campaigns per week to appropriate segments. Shopify markets and international marketing. International e-commerce is becoming increasingly important. In 2026, Klaviyo and Shopify have expanded their integration around Shopify markets, allowing customer and product information to be used across different regions, languages, currencies, and pricing environments. This is particularly useful for a Shopify business selling INTERNETIONELLY. For example, customers in the UK, France, and Germany may need different currencies, languages, Products or offers localized. Data can help marketers avoid sending inappropriate pricing or product information to customers in different markets. 8. Measuring performance. Klaviyo also provides analytics that allow businesses to evaluate their email marketing. Important metrics include asterisk revenue generated, asterisk conversion rate, asterisk click rate, asterisk open rate, asterisk unsubscribe rate, asterisk flow revenue, asterisk campaign revenue, asterisk revenue per recipient, asterisk customer engagement. However, merchants should avoid focusing on a single metric. For e-commerce, revenue and profitable customer behavior are generally more meaningful than simply maximizing email opens.